President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. directed LGUs to identify and enroll more poor Filipinos in the 4-Piece program following the DSWD's highlight of board top-notchers who rose from poverty through its support. Our Noel Talakay reports.
This is Roslyn Jantres, and a single mother sending her 5-year-old child to school is one of the difficulties in life that she faces. She says seeing her child stop going to school due to financial challenges breaks her heart.
Hindi po muna makakapasok kasi hindi kasya yung iniwan ko, pangkain lang sa maghapon.
As a single mother, she shoulders all the responsibilities for her child and for their needs. That's why what she does,
Siyempre, kailangan po manghiram. Hindi po talaga kasya yung isang kinsenas na sahod.
in the recent 4th State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ordered local government units to identify their constituents who belong to the poorest of the poor.
Batid natin lahat ang mga kababayan natin na namumuhay sa lansangan. Sila ang pinakanangangailangan ng tulong ng pamahalaan. Sa ating mga LGU, hanapin ninyong lahat na ipasok silang lahat sa 4-Piece at sa iba pang mga programa ng DSWD para naman maitaguyod natin sila at magsimula na ang kanilang paglakbay tungo sa pag-unlad ng kanilang buhay.
This pronouncement of the President gives hope to Roslyn, and the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, has also been conducting community-based monitoring of all LGUs in the country.
Natutuwa po tayo because he's really sincere in ensuring that social protection adheres to one of its principles, which is inclusivity, na dapat po lahat ng mga may hirap nating kababayan ay mapabilang at maka-access sa mga iba't ibang programa ng ating pong pamahalaan.
According to the Department of Social Welfare and Development, the basis of granting the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program is not only the income of the beneficiary but also their social economic conditions such as social adequacy and economic sufficiency. But wait, there's more.
Dapat kayo ay may anak 18 years old pababa. Dahil ang programa ay namumuhunan sa edukasyon at kalusugan ng mga mahihirap nating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na sa mga bata. Because the program aims to break the intergenerational cycle of poverty. Dapat kayo po ay willing na mag-comply doon sa specific conditions ng programa. Particularly, dapat yung mga anak nyo pupunta o pumapasok sa mga paaralan at kayo po ay nagpapacheck up sa mga health centers.
The President has also mentioned in his speech that he will recommend the amendment of the 4-Piece law.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating programang 4-Piece. Hangad din natin na amyendahan ang batas ng 4-Piece upang matiyak na talagang sapat ang panahon para maitaguyod ang kanilang paghihirap. Maitaguyod sila sa ang mga mahihirap.
The agency lauded the President since there are still families who graduate from the program after 7 years, according to the 4-Piece law, who can still be categorized as poor.
Dapat matiyak natin na nasa level 3 or self-sufficient na sila. In terms of social adequacy and economic sufficiency, ay nag-improve na yung kanilang estado.
According to the data of DSWD, over 12.2 elementary graduates from 4-Piece, more than 4.5 million from high school, and there are also board passers and 73 who topped the board exam. Most of the 4-Piece top-notchers are graduate of courses on social media, electricians, midwives, civil engineers, nurses, educators, and other fields. Noel Talakay from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.